Hey, welcome back. Y'all already know for what, a quick little video. So with that being said, we are getting ready to go ahead and get right into this video. Now, Jasmine, Jasmine, you are a fucking fool. I'm trying to tell you, Jasmine. So first of all, I'm going to get on Chris and I'm going to get on Jasmine in this video. Now, Chris and Jasmine, you as well. Jasmine, you just ain't used to shit. You one of them type of people, Jasmine, that can like really eat anything that's put in front of you. Now, I watched Chris make I'm gonna go to the first video. First video I watched or whatever, I wasn't even gonna say nothing about it, but it seems that everybody wants me to speak on it, so let's speak on this bullshit. So, Chris, you go ahead and you decide that you are going to make some type of dish like the fuck you are on Food Network or Rachel Ray or some goddamn body. I don't know if that's what you had in your mind, okay? But what I will tell you is that, Chris, we could tell that you are in jail because you were in jail because of the fact that you put so much shit into one goddamn pan that don't even go together. That looks disgusting and nasty. So, y'all, I went head on, right? He got on there. You already know Jasmine right on the side, being a spectacular camera man. Yeah, man. Yeah. So, he went and he had, like, I think it was like the rice that you get in the pack. So, he put that all, over it. Then, he went and got a whole thing of, I guess broth. I don't know if it was chicken broth or beef broth. And then he had the nerve to go ahead and pour that whole entire thing in there, right? So at this point, I'm like, what the fuck is he doing? That's getting ready to be some disgusting ass shit. That's getting ready to happen. Them kids, they definitely ain't eating that bullshit. If you give them kids that, they ain't gonna ever want chicken a damn day in their goddamn life, okay? They most likely will run, especially the twins. You get that shit to the twins, they gonna break out of that high chair and that whole rubber bib that you be putting on them, and they are going to run for the hills. Inside their room, they probably gonna turn off the light, close the shades, and lock the door, okay? And push the chair underneath the door. I'm telling you. That's what them twins gonna do. If not, what's gonna happen is when he put that plate down on Aiden probably slapped the shit out of him with that plate. I'm telling you, Aiden don't play. Them twins does not play, okay? If y'all ain't seen it, y'all better go ahead and go back. Aiden throws shit over the balcony. Aiden goes hard. Aiden tries to look over the balcony because he told me this shit. He said, Reese, I look over the balcony, and when I see somebody coming, I just start throwing my mother's shit over there. Phone chargers, crayons, all that shit. You get me? Because we shouldn't even be out here not being watched. Yeah, that's what I do, Miss Reese. But anyway, so he had the rice, and then he poured in the broth, and then he put the chicken on top of that. And, what the fuck? Hold up. I'm going to have to look this shit up. Yeah, so back to it. So, you know what I mean? Like I said, he put the rice in there. He put a whole thing of broth inside of there. And then what he decides to do is he goes and he gets a bag of mixed vegetables with broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, all of that shit. And he dumps that on top of the damn rice, y'all. Just dump that shit on there. No respect for the rice, no nothing. Just dumped it on there. Then when he got finished with that, he went ahead on and Main Man threw some chicken over top of that. All right. Then Main Man went head on and he seasoned it. Y'all already know how he get down with the seasoning. That's why Jasmine don't have no food right now. But he went head on, he seasoned it. And so like he went ahead on and he seasoned it. And then what Chris decided to do was go ahead and, go ahead and throw some shredded cheese on top of that meal. So you got some soggy ass rice. You decide to go ahead and put some vegetables on top of that. You decide to even go more harder, jail style, and put some chicken over top of that. Then, while you did that, you decided to go ahead and season the fuck out of the chicken and the vegetables that are supposed to be nutrition. But at this point, you are creating high blood pressure and heart disease. That's what you're doing. And then you said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw one in for the one. And I'm going to throw this shredded cheese all over here. Okay. So he did all of that. You get me? And then it's over. And he decides to go ahead and put it in the oven. When I tell y'all I looked at that shit, I said, get the fuck out of here. I cannot wait to see this piece of shit when it comes back out of the oven. So y'all, it came back out the oven. Let me tell y'all this shit. When he went head on and dipped inside of the chicken and the rice. See, the rice, you're not making soup, Chris. So the rice is supposed to be dry. When he dipped inside of there and made a little hole, the only thing that you could see was the rice sitting inside the broth. I literally wanted to throw the fuck up. I said, this is some damn disgusting ass Section 8, goddamn bullshit that he get ready to feed them. Okay, so if you see the water, and then he goes ahead and he dips down in there, and you just like looking at it like, fuck no, he wouldn't be cooking for me. He wouldn't be doing anything for me whatsoever. Chris, the way that shit looked, he would not even be going to the market with me to make market. He does not need to be around no type of food whatsoever. Jasmine, those noodles, those soggy, muggy noodles that you sent your kids to school with, you need to give that shit to Chris, because that's the way he like it. I'm dead serious. He likes it like that, okay? Now, Jasmine, you decided to bring your ass in the kitchen for a taste. And you basically like, that shit was good. Everything that Chris cooked, I've noticed that it's good. You don't have no type of face or anything. I can tell you right now, if I would have gave that shit to my husband, he would have been like, what the fuck is this? First of all, why is this rice soupy? Like, what is this? In other words, Chris, what you fixed was a whole thing of chicken broth and rice with some goddamn chicken on top of that and some vegetables. And you tried to make it really taste good by adding some cheese. All of that combination, Chris, was a no-go. Okay? Whew. Y'all, it was some bullshit. It really was. So there's another one that I'm going to do a video on, y'all. Keep lookout for it. But these cooking videos with them, YouTube should shut it down. Okay? So I'm going to see y'all in my next video later.
getting kind of cheesy, you want to get, I mean, me personally, I like, you know, the blend, my red jack, cheddar. Put some of your veggies too. Nothing wrong with that.
Elevated. I'm chained up and I'm danked up and I'm elevated. You bend it down and you poked it up and you elevated, you elevated.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page
I'm sorry, baby. Is it good? Break me off a piece of that chicken. Let me try it. Break me off a piece of your special. Chris, you should see this food. It looks good as fuck.
How about you show it?
I'm gonna take a picture of it and send it to you, okay? All right, I'm about to try it. Really childish.
it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gonna put me in the wheel, and willingly I wanna do.
That motherfucking dome.
That really is good.